Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me. Really simple. I did like a little twist, half up hairstyle. But before we get into that, I want to tell you about this unit that I have in. I have a video already on this unit. I'm going to link it down below. But I originally made this unit, which is from Dsoar Hair Company. They sent me 3 bundles and a lace frontal, 2 22s, a 20 and an 18 lace frontal. All the information is going to be down in the description box. But they sent me this these bundles in the frontal, and I made it into a wig, per usual, with the hot glue gun method. And I put an elastic band on there, so it was more so like a glueless wig. But I mentioned in the previous video that I wasn't sure if I was going to take that out or not, and I decided to take it out because the fit just wasn't perfect, especially in the back. So I took it off, and I was able to pull it forward more and then install it like I normally do, and that area in the back evens out and it's like a perfect fit. So I'm going to leave it just like that. But this hair is Peruvian. It's a straight texture. It did have some like bent to it, like subtle waves to it, so you will have to like flat iron if you wanted to get it straight, or you can blow dry it if you want to like keep some of its value. So from the last time that I did the video on the hair, nothing much has changed. I'm not having any major cons, anything that should be concerning. The hair is still fluffy, airy. It's so soft. It's so freaking soft. It's Peruvian. And the only thing that is something that I did wrong, I believe I like kind of over plucked it right here. I'm not sure if it makes it look more natural or if you guys can tell that it's over plucked. If you guys think it's over plucked, leave a comment down in the comment box and let me know. I'm still getting the hang of really just feeling 100% confident when plucking my units. So I may have missed this one, I'm not quite sure, but y'all will let me know what you guys think of it. Oh, and one more thing I wanted to show you guys before we get into the clip of me just getting ready with my hair. The company wanted me to show you guys the little gift they put in the hair package, which I've been using it a lot, as you guys can see. But it's like a little makeup sponge, and it works perfectly because I keep using it, so obviously it's good. So this was in there as a little gift to let y'all see. Okay, so with that being said, let's get into the next clip. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll check y'all lovelies out in my next video. Bye.